This car has a charging cable built into the front bumper. No, seriously. You press the Fiat logo and out pops a 15-foot cable that's always there, always ready. No dragging cables from your trunk. No forgetting them at home. This is the 2026 Fiat Grande Panda Electric, and it just won Auto Europa 2026. But that cable trick, that's just the start of what makes this thing weird in the best way. Here's what nobody's talking about. This costs under 25,000 euros. That's roughly $26,400. For a fully electric car with 199 miles of range, pixel LED headlights, and 412 liters of cargo space. You're getting more trunk space than most cars costing twice as much. The battery is 44 kilowatt-hour. The motor puts out 113 horsepower. 0 to 60 happens in 11 seconds. Those numbers sound boring until you drive it around a city. Because here's the thing, this isn't trying to be a sports car. It's not pretending to compete with luxury EVs. It knows exactly what it is, and that's why it works. The steering is light. The throttle response is instant. You tap the pedal and it zips forward like someone flicked a switch. In tight city streets, it moves like it's half its size. The suspension is firmer than the Citroën EC3 it shares a platform with. That means less floating, more control when you're carving through traffic. But here's where it gets interesting. Fiat built this thing from recycled materials. The interior parts are made from 140 crushed beverage cartons per car. The seats have bamboo fiber fabric, and somehow it doesn't feel cheap. The dashboard wraps around you with bright yellow accents inspired by the original 1980s Panda. There's a 10.25-inch touchscreen that supports wireless mirroring. The digital cluster is clean and simple. Everything is laid out like someone actually thought about how you'd use it daily. Storage space? There are 13 liters of cubbies scattered around the cabin, including an upper glove box that's a throwback to the classic Panda. The doors even have embossed Panda lettering stamped into them. Now the range. 199 miles WLTP. In cold weather, expect around 180 miles on the highway, 260 in the city. In mild weather, you're looking at 395 miles in pure city driving. Charging hits 100 kilowatt on DC fast charging. 20 to 80% takes 27 minutes. At home with a 7 kilowatt charger, you're looking at under 4 hours. Not the fastest, but for a city car it's perfectly fine. Top speed is 82 miles per hour, which is exactly enough. Because this isn't about going fast, it's about going smart. The design references are everywhere. The pixel headlights echo 8-bit graphics from the 80s. The cube-shaped taillights nod to the Lingato factory windows where Fiat was born. Even the dashboard shape mimics the Lingato test track. It's retro without being gimmicky, modern without losing its soul. Fiat calls this their no-gray philosophy. You can get it in 7 bright colors: red, yellow, blue, green, brown, black, or white. No boring silver, no safe beige. So here's what this actually is. It's the most practical electric car under $30,000 that doesn't feel like a compromise. It's proof that affordable EVs don't have to be boring, cheap-feeling, or ugly. It just won one of Europe's biggest awards for a reason. Next time, we're looking at something even more unexpected. An electric truck that costs luxury car money but somehow justifies every penny. You won't see this one coming. Would you actually buy the Grande Panda? Or are you waiting for something bigger? Drop a comment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.